Okay, so this is it! We are going to Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon!
Good morning! Punta kami ng Grand Canyon. Good morning, Vegas! So, stopped over for a bit, eat breakfast. Ito yung una namin nakita. Meron kami nakasabay yung mga professionals. Patriot Kisser.
Let's eat first.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so this is it! We are going to Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon!
Hoo! Ahoo!
We'll be coming from Las Vegas and then we'll go there na. So it'll take about 2 hours. So we decided to go to the Grand Canyon West because the other one, what's it called? The Grand Canyon Rim.
Yung sa South
North?
Rim.
Ay, South
Yung
Rim.
National Park.
Yung National Park yun. Parang hindi lang, 8 hours. 8-hour drive, parang ganun.
Depende kasi yung vlogger na pala.
As per our research. Kaya dito lang kami sa malapit and it's gonna be the same. Plus meron tong glass skywalk which is yung sobrang favorite din namin ni Freddie. So,
Along the way, may stopover kami sa Hoover Dam.
so we'll be in 2 places at once.
2 states.
In Arizona and Nevada. It's our first time here in the US. So we are really excited. First time namin yung ganito ka-OA lamig. And it's going to be about -1 degree Celsius there at the Grand Canyon. So, let's go! Grabe dito! Pag nag-Las Vegas kayo, dumaan din kayo dito. Pumunta din kayo dito. So there, we just drove about mga 4 hours. Tapos, ayan, hindi ka talaga tatamarin kahit sobrang haba ng drive kasi ang ganda ng view. Kahit saan kaming roads pumunta dito, talagang mafe-feel mo na desierto talaga. You'll see the desert. And yan yung mga view mo na hindi mo makikita sa Pilipinas. Kaya na-enjoy namin mag-drive. Nagpalitan kami and we really loved it. We enjoyed it. And buong time nag-karaoke lang kami, nagkakantahan lang kami, nag-videoke, 90s songs and all that. Sobrang na-enjoy namin yung road trip na to. Ang daming kwentuhan and sobrang daming magagandang views. Yun talaga ang pinaka na-enjoy namin sa trip na to. And sobrang haba ng drive. Mapapansin nga dito sa part na to. Ito na yung may mga nakita kaming mga real cactus. Yung mga talagang legit na cactus. Talagang parang sa mga movies na papansin lang namin to ni Ferdy. Mga kinakatakutan namin mga areas. Kasi ito yung mga true crime na mga nakikita namin sa mga favorite naming pinapanood. Medyo nakakatakot to sa gabi. Pero okay naman siya sa umaga. Sobrang ganda ng view everywhere. Ayan. So beautiful.
What a drive song.
Here already, Hoover Dam. So, kung gusto nyo mag-picture dun din sa pupuntahan namin sa may boundary, sa plaque, sa boundary ng Nevada and Arizona or Colorado. Sabi ni Ferdy, Colorado.
Okay, nalala kami. Colorado River siya. Pero kasi magkakalapit yan, Arizona, Nevada, tsaka Colorado. Pero baka tama ka. Yung boundary.
Pero hindi kami sure.
Oh, yung
Hindi
boundary.
talaga kami sure. So, malalaman namin pagdating.
Oh, hindi, yung boundary mo kung Arizona tsaka Nevada. Kasi yun yung nakita ko kanina sa highway.
So,
Pero yung
ayun.
river, that's Colorado.
Magpipicture kami kasi we want to be in two places at once. Or magpipicture kaming dalawa na long distance relationship. Okay. Nahanap na namin. Okay, after nila. Just like no.
So,
Tagalogin mo na lang.
ito yung boundary na
Nevada.
Arizona.
Arizona. Ito siya.
Doon ka sa ano?
Oh, ito na yun. I am in two places at once. I'm in Nevada and Arizona at once. At syempre, meron din kaming picture ni Ferdy na ako yung nasa Nevada at siya ang nasa Arizona. O, diba? Long distance relationship photo. Cute! And I think ito yung part na nalito si Ferdy. This is the Hoover Dam. Tas yung water dyan, that's the Colorado River. So I think yun yung sinasabi ni Ferdy kanina na akala niya it's also in Colorado because there's this beautiful Colorado River din doon na makikita sa Hoover Dam. So beautiful!
Mga tao, nakita mo yung mga tao.
There, and after that, we already headed to the Grand Canyon. Wala akong masyadong videos na when we're here, pero it's so, so beautiful. It also is part of the seven natural wonders of the world. Sobrang ganda rito sa Grand Canyon then. You have to go visit.
You tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny.